Hi, I'm Ian from Hema Maps and I have some great news. Hema has teamed up with Aerpro to bring you the ability to run Hema Maps through your vehicle multimedia systems. To achieve this, Aerpro has developed a series of multimedia head system upgrades suitable for a number of popular four-wheel drive vehicles. They are available in either large 10 or 9-inch touchscreen versions depending on the application. These Aerpro kits retain all the important factory features. Each kit includes a vehicle-specific fascia kit along with all the wiring harnesses and adapters required to complete the installation. These multimedia head system upgrades are all compatible with the AMHXD3 Hema Maps navigation module, which utilises Apple CarPlay component of the head unit to run Hema's renowned HX2 GPS navigator software. This will provide you with Australia-wide GPS navigation, off-road and on-road, and most importantly offline, all on the screen of your multimedia system. Today we're at M4C Midland 4-wheel drive centre in Canning Vale, Western Australia, and we're going to show you how to install an Aerpro multimedia head system upgrade and the Hema navigation module into a 2019 Toyota Hilux. But before we do that, let's check out what's in the box. So we've unboxed the Aerpro head unit upgrade kit and there are plenty of components to look at. There's a 10-inch receiver in this particular model for the 2019 Hilux. We've got a fascia kit and we have all the patch cables required to attach to the standard factory components. We also have the Hema navigation module to attach the unit. Matt from Midland 4-wheel drive centre is now going to install the unit for us, so let's see how easy it is.
First of all, you'll need trim removal tools, a small Phillips head screwdriver and something to protect the components that you remove from any scratches or damage. What is extremely important before you start, if you're not competent in pulling your vehicle dashboard apart, we highly recommend that you use a car audio expert to complete this installation. First of all, remove the instrument cluster cover. Now remove the dashboard trims. Remove the control panel. Remove the upper glove box. And remove the 4 retaining screws securing the stereo. Pull out the stereo fascia kit and remove the stereo. Unplug the factory cabling and remove the A-pillar grab handle and trim. While we're at the A-pillar, install the microphone and run the cabling under the dashboard. Position the GPS receiver around the centre of the dashboard and also run that wiring under the dash. Plug in all the adapter cables to the factory wiring. That's the speakers, power feed, aerial, rear vision camera, handbrake, etc. Attach the stereo harness and speakers. Now attach the receiver to the fascia using the 4 supplied screws. Ensure that you protect the screen from damage during this process. Now attach all wiring harnesses to the rear of the Aerpro head unit. If you want to, you can test the head unit at this stage for functionality. Insert the head unit into the correct location and clip back into place. Locate the USB input in a convenient position where it's easy to access. Replace all the trims and the upper glove box. Refit the A-pillar trim. Check the Bluetooth connectivity. check that the radio is functioning, and check reverse camera functionality.
So we're in a workshop environment. There might be a few sounds in the background, but just disregard those. Now we're going to add the Hema navigation module into this head unit, and you'll see how it works.
Also remember, although this is a Toyota Hilux designed head unit, there are currently 43 head unit options in 9-inch or 10-inch size for various makes and models, including Ford Ranger, Mitsubishi Triton and Toyota 70 series. And the Aerpro team are constantly adding to this list.
We've added the Hema navigation module onto the USB now, and you can see on the screen we now have the icons necessary to run Hema on this head unit. So now you have the full functionality of the Hema AMHXD3 GPS navigator in your screen, in your vehicle, without anything on the dashboard, and you can use that whether you're on-road, off-road, and it's offline. So you don't need any mobile connection whatsoever while you're travelling in the outback. Let's look at the on-road mode. So this on-road mode now gives you Hema's on-road navigation with voice guidance and all the points of interest, over 100,000 points of interest as you travel Australia. Now we're going to go to the off-road mode. Hema's off-road mode gives you a vector map. You can zoom into different layers. You can move around the screen. It'll tell you whether tracks are easy or medium or difficult. And this covers the whole of Australia offline. It's a topographic map. As you zoom, you get more detail. And the GPS will position you in your exact location. In fact, we'll do that now. We'll go directly to our location by pressing this button, and we're now at Midland Full Drive Centre in Canning Vale. Let's take a look at adventure maps. These are the print maps produced by Hema Maps, and they're very useful in different locations within Australia. So we want to search for a map. Let's look at the Kimberley. And here's the full Kimberley map, the same as the map you'd buy in the shop. And we can zoom in on this. And we can move around. And when we're travelling, it will pinpoint us directly in the centre of the screen. We still have our points of interest available. We can click on those points of interest. A few more, and find out more detail. Very useful feature.
Now that the Aerpro head unit gives you the ability to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can install compatible apps such as Spotify. You can also install aftermarket reverse cameras or audio equipment.
So there you have it. We now have the Aerpro head unit upgrade kit and the Hema Maps navigation module, all inserted in a 10-inch screen in this Hilux. You can navigate confidently anywhere in Australia, whether you're on-road or off-road. I'm Ian from Hema Maps. Thanks for watching.